Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ChargeHub for driver profiles and favorites, full guide step by step clearly. To register with ChargeHub for driver profiles and favorites, first, visit the ChargeHub website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration form. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Fill in your first name and last name in the respective fields. Select your preferred language from the available options. Review the terms of service and privacy policy provided. If you agree to the terms, check the box confirming your acceptance. After filling out all required fields, click the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email shortly after registration. Open your email inbox and find the email from ChargeHub. Click on the verification link included in the email. Once verified, you may log into your new account using your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the Profile section in your account dashboard. Here, you can add additional details like your vehicle information and charging preferences. Next, proceed to the Favorites section. To add a favorite location, click on the Add Favorite button. Enter the address or name of the location you wish to save. Save the location to your account by clicking the Confirm button. Repeat this process for any additional locations you want to add to your favorites. Finally, explore the other features ChargeHub offers to enhance your driving experience. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with ChargeHub and customized your driver profile and favorites. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.